So finally I'm here at the Schiphol airport in Amsterdam. I arrived here last night from Stockholm, so I had a sleep here in the nearby airport hotel. So anyway, this is my first day on this around the world trip. A trip that I have planned for over a year, and that will take me to Havana, and then to some countries in Central America, and then to Fiji, Thailand, Abu Dhabi, and finally back to Stockholm. And at the same time I will have a mission of my own, and that is to return this taxi toy to my nephew in Bangkok. And the background of this toy is that when he was in Stockholm last Christmas, we visited a pizza restaurant where he got this toy from the owner. And then when my nephew went back home to Bangkok, he forgot this toy. So it's my mission to return this taxi toy to him. And after that, I will be returning home to Stockholm. So in 1 hour, I will be boarding my flight to Havana in Cuba, where I will start my around the world journey. So you will see this taxi in different countries around the world, together with me, until I return it back to my nephew, Cici. Just arrived to Havana, and when I arrived, I got to ride this old, nice American car. Very nice. Look. It's a Chevrolet.
Chevrolet 1952.
Chevrolet 1952. Oh, nice. This is Havana, Cuba.
Yeah.
I am finally here in Havana, and I am standing on the Malecon, the seaside promenade here in Havana, Cuba. This is my first stop on my around the world tour, and I'm so far enjoying Cuba a lot. It's a wonderful day, and today I'm going to join a walking tour here in Havana to see all the historical sites. And the plan tomorrow is to go to the city of Viñales, a very nice city where they have a tobacco farm, and maybe check out the cigar factory there also. But so far I'm enjoying Havana a lot. It's a nice city, nice people, and I'm staying at a traditional Casa stay at a host family, a Cuban host family. And this is the taxi toy that I'm having. I will bring it to my nephew, and this is the first stop for this taxi in Havana, Cuba. This is the central park of Havana, and the sculpture here is a sculpture of Jose Marti. He's the one who is the mind, the brain of the Cuban Revolution. And the airport in Havana is named after Jose Marti. This is the guy, Jose Marti. This is my second day here in Havana, and today I'm going to Viñales to see the famous tobacco plantations of Cuba, and to see how they roll the cigars, the famous cigar rolling in Cuba. It's going to be an exciting day. We are finally here in Viñales, and we are now going to see the professional cigar roller in action. Let's have a look.
Acá se enrollaron las tres hojas de la tripa, la capa, el capote. La tripa y el capote son 4. Este formato de madera que usualmente se utiliza en las fábricas. Se pone en la prensa por unos 30 minutos aproximadamente. Después él saca cada puro uno a uno. ¿Para qué? Para enrollar la hoja final, que se llama capa. En Cuba tenemos 2 tipos de plantaciones de tabaco. Una que las hojas se utilizan para la tripa y para el capote, como el capote, como la que usualmente tienen acá los campesinos. Cuando pasa la etapa de la cosecha, cultivan otra cosa, como en este caso el maíz. Cuando van a hacer producciones locales estos campesinos, que son los dueños de esta propiedad, tienen que traer la hoja de otro tipo de plantación, una plantación de tabaco, que la hoja se utiliza para hacer las capas. The kind of tobacco that the farmers grow here in their property is a kind of plantation that the leaves are devoted to be used as the filler and the binder for the cigar. When they want to make local production to sell it, because they can sell part of their production to the government, they use the leaves of this plantation, filler and binder. But for the wrapping leaf or coat, they have to bring the leaves from someplace else. So they picked up the tobacco already, and now they are planting corn over here. Yeah. Finish. Big clap for Chichi. Aplauso para Mr. Chichi. Mr. Chichi. Whoa.
In this barn, they are storing the tobacco leaves for fermentation. So let's go inside and have a look. And inside this barn here is where they ferment tobacco leaves. Look at this. So many cigars can be made with these leaves. Here in Cuba, it is very common that you stay in people's homes. You stay in a casa, they say. And this is my casa, where I'm staying here in Havana. It is called the Casa Botello. And let's go up and have a look. Very narrow stairs, so we're going up. This is the kitchen, and there we have Rafael, my host. Hello.
Hello.
Say hello to Sweden.
Hello, everybody.
It's very nice home you have.
Thank you.
And very good breakfast. Let's have a look in my room. So in a casa you live in people's homes, and you get one of the rooms at the home. This is my room. Really nice.